Welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I wish you always to be in the best condition. Our recipe today is crepes with spinach. We will need half a liter of milk. Each glass holds a quarter of a liter. Here I have 70 grams of spinach. Here I have 225 grams of flour, meaning 2¼ cups of medium size. Here I have 2 eggs and just a pinch of salt. Here I have 50 grams of melted butter. Now we move to the method. I took the electric blender and I will put the milk in it. I start blending. I will add the spinach and blend it well. Then I will come back to you to complete the preparation. After blending, I will add a pinch of salt. Here are 50 grams of melted butter. Here I have 2 eggs. I add the flour. I mix with a spoon until it combines slightly. Then I blend the batter until smooth. The crepe batter is ready. I will let it rest for a few minutes and cook the spinach. Here I have 100 grams of spinach. I saute it until all the water evaporates. After the water dries, I add a little salt. I will not add anything else. The spinach is ready and I turn off the heat. After resting, I mix the batter lightly with the ladle. This is how I mix it slightly. I heat the pan. I spread the batter over the entire pan. I leave it to cook. After it cooks on one side, I flip it. It cooks on the other side. The crepe is ready and I place it on a clean cloth. I continue in the same way until all the crepes are done. Now I take a pan and add a small spoon of butter. I let it melt. I add 125 to 150 grams of minced chicken or any minced meat you have. I add a small spoon of parsley. Half a spoon of harissa. Salt to taste, half a spoon of cumin, and half a spoon of red pepper. I mix everything well with the minced meat. Once cooked, I turn off the heat and add the spinach. I transfer the filling to a bowl and add bechamel sauce. For the bechamel sauce, I melt 2 tablespoons of butter. I add 3 tablespoons of flour. I cook it for about 2 minutes. Then I gradually add half a liter of milk while stirring. I add a light grating of nutmeg, salt, and pepper to taste. At the end, I add about 40 grams of cheese, which is optional. I mix the filling with the bechamel sauce. Here is the crepe prepared earlier. I place the good side underneath. I add 1 big spoon of filling. And a small spoon of cheese. I fold it like this. I brush it with a little beaten egg to seal it. Just so it holds together. I place them in the tray like this. I have about 15 pieces in total. I add cheese on top. I put them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, then we take them out. Do not use more minced meat unless you double the ingredients. The filling will be enough and may even leave a little extra. I decorate with cheese. I put them in the oven until the cheese melts. This is the final result of the spinach crepes. They are delicious and very tasty. I hope you like this recipe. Here you can see how they look inside. They are wonderful. Just try them. Until the next video.